Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my channel. Today I'm sharing a savory and hearty stir-fry noodle recipe with the most interesting name. In Chinese, this noodle dish goes by the name of 蚂蚁上树, or ants climbing up the tree. But don't worry, there are no ants involved in the making of this dish, I promise. So keep on watching to see how you can make this classic dish. The noodles used here are sweet potato starch noodles. You can find these at any Asian grocery stores now. They're popular in many Asian cuisines and are naturally gluten-free. They usually come in packet, dried, and needs to be soaked in water until soft before cooking. The ants component of this ants up a tree dish is in the form of minced pork. And not just any minced pork, but pork belly. Because of the high fat ratio of pork belly meat, the noodles will absorb all the lovely fatty goodness. You won't need a lot of meat as this is a noodle dish, and you can also substitute the pork with minced beef to suit your preference. Chop the pork belly by hand or in a food processor until fine and transfer to a dish until cooking. An optional garnish are Chinese chives. You want to cut these fine if you have them, otherwise use green parts of the scallion. Here are the rest of the ingredients that you'll need. For the full list, head over to my blog. Cooking comes together pretty quickly. Into a wok on medium-high heat, add small amounts of oil. But if you're using a leaner meat, increase the amount of oil used. Add in the minced meat and quickly stir fry to cook it through. Add in Chinese cooking wine and a bit of salt to season the meat. And then the Chinese holy trinity of chopped garlic, ginger, and scallions. Stir fry to mix, then add in the doubanjiang. Stir fry that to integrate into the meat and bring out the flavors of the fermented chili paste. Followed by the soy sauces, and finally some water. Make sure to scrape up the bottom and loosen up any bits that was stuck. Before adding in the now softened noodles. Have enough water in the wok to just submerge the noodles and let it cook over medium-high heat uncovered until the noodles have absorbed most of the water. Stir constantly so that nothing sticks to the bottom. And right before it's ready to come out of the pan, add in the Chinese chives, stir to combine, and dish it out. Serve this immediately because these noodles have a tendency to quickly get stuck together, and it also carries on cooking in the heat. So eat it right away to enjoy that springy, chewy texture we love from sweet potato noodles. And there you have it, a classic ants up a tree noodle dish where morsels of minced meat will climb up every single strand of noodle as you eat. As always, go to yansfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Until next time, happy cooking!